Is your bank account giving you the side eye, but you desperately need to access your PayPal funds? Don't panic. I'm here to show you how to withdraw your hard-earned money from PayPal, even without a bank account linked. First, log into your PayPal account. Head over to the Wallet section. This is where you'll see all your available funds. Next, find your PayPal balance. You should see the option to transfer money. Tap on that, because that's our golden ticket. Since we don't have a bank account connected, we'll use a debit card. Select the Link a Card option. It'll ask for your card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV. Make sure the name on the card matches the name on your PayPal account. Now, select your newly linked debit card. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there will most likely be fees, so be mindful of that. Double-check all the details on the confirmation screen. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit that confirm button. And that's it. Your funds are now on their way to your debit card. It usually takes a few business days for the money to appear, so keep an eye on your card statement. Now you can go spend that money.